Hello TY students. So let us consider the new VLSI practical, that is 4-bit counter, maybe up counter or the down counter, or both are considered in the same program. So up counting, down counting, that is a 4-bit counter. So that is implemented on the Krypton kit. So that is a CPLD kit. Okay. So using these switches, we will consider one as a clear, another one, that is what it is, going for up or down. So up down bar. So if it is a 0, if it is a 1, that will be up counting, that is considered. If it is a down 0, then down bar will be 1. So that is what it is, down counting will be considered. So those that output will be, counting output will be indicated here on the LEDs. 4 LEDs, those are considered here. Okay. So let us consider the things. So here, using Xilinx program or the Xilinx software, that program is considered. So I am now pasting that part here in the, because with the Krypton kit we have to consider that as a Quartus kit. Okay, that one. So Control C, copy that I am considering. So here I am opening that, this one. So going for the file, going for the new project. Okay, so new project will be considered. So initial project, that is what it is, closed. So new project. So this window will be opened of the new project wizard. Then this will be next button. Then this will be save in the some folder that I have made. So here it will be counter counter 4-bit. That is what the name that I am giving you here. Okay, so counter 4-bit. So going for the next button. So this one. So different directory, yes or no. You want to select a different directory? No. So in this directory I am considering the same file name there. So going for again the next option, this window will be appearing. So device that is to be selected, and the this one family that is to be selected. So with the CPLD kit, Krypton kit, that is what it is, Max 5. Okay, Max V. And with the device, it will be nothing but the 5M1270ZT. So 5M1270ZT. Okay, so here I am considering that one. 5M12. Okay, so it will be, we are going down. Okay, Max 5, that is what it is. 5M1270ZT, this one, and C5N, that is to be considered. So here you can see here 5M, okay, 570ZT 144 C5N, that is to be selected, that as a device. So going for the next, going for the next, going for the finish. So the project that will be appearing here, so it will be counter 4-bit. Going for the new file, new folder there. Okay, this will be selected. So going for the new VHDL module. Okay, that one, VHDL file, that I am selecting. So going for the OK button. So here this will be appearing, and I am pasting it here. That check the syntax already. Okay, as it is. So that will be the thing. So that I am saving there. Okay, so save button, that is what it is there. Then next step, that is, so counter 4-bit, that name is considered here. Okay, so saving. Then next step, that is what it is, compile design. So this is run. So you can see there warnings or whatever those are coming there. The error should not be there. Warnings, it's okay. So compile design, so full compilation, that is what it is successful, 10 warnings, okay, no error is there, so that is now okay. So going for the next step, that is what it is, assignment. So with the assignment, going for the pin planner, okay. So pin planner will be there. Now here you can see that thing. So with the pin planner, so this is what I have considered, okay. So for the clock, pin number 18 that is considered. For the clear, pin number 39 is considered. For up down bar, it will be 48 pin number. Q0, Q1, that means those are the LEDs. So 58, 57, 55, 53. So those I am entering these things there, okay. So here you can see that max 5, that is what it is a family, and this 5M570 ZT144C5N, that is a device. So for the clock, first one, so for the clock here, pin number 18 that is to be considered, okay. So pin number 18, okay, 18. So internal clock of 1 Hertz, that is what it is selected. For clear, it will be pin number 39 is selected, that thing, okay. So for Q3, pin number 53 is connected, okay, for Q3, okay. 53 is connected, okay, pin number Q3, 53. Then for this one, Q1, pin number 57 is considered, that is what it is connected. Pin number Q1, that is what it is, 57, okay. Sorry, Q3, Q2 साठी 55 आहे, okay, मी चुकलो इथं. So it will be 55, okay, that one. Then here it will be 57, and then for Q0 it will be 58, that is what it is considered. And then for up down bar, that one, so it will be pin number 48, that is considered, okay. So these are the input switches, those things. So that is the pin planner, that is what it is considered there. So with the pin planner, these pins are now assigned. So minimizing that one, okay. Next step, that is compile once again this thing. So it will be compiled after assigning the pin planner. Full compilation was successful, no warnings, warnings, no error, those are there. So going for the next option, that is what it is, tools, okay. So with the tools, it will be programmer, okay. With the tools option, it will be the programmer option that we are selecting. So that will be opening. So going for the file option, going for the create SVF file, so that counter 4-bit .svf, that is to be considered. So this will be, okay, this will be formed there, okay, that one. So that I am minimizing. Now next thing, that is what it is, what is the thing. So it will be opening that ZTag tab, so DOS prompt wala, okay. So it will be ZTag, this one, that is considered. So this will be opened, and at the same time what I am doing is in the E folder, that file is there, okay, with the Q programs, that folder, okay. So कुठली आपण counter, okay. So counter 4-bit.svf, so this file, that is what it is there. So this file I am copying, okay, I am copying in the E folder, okay. So in the E folder, this is what it is, a E folder, so I am pasting it there. Okay, just a minute. In the E folder, okay, I am pasting it there, counter.svf. okay, so that is coming here, counter.svf, 4-bit counter 4-bit.svf, that file. Now I am opening that JTAG, this one. This is made on, okay, so this is what it is made on, that thing. So now I am considering first, what is that? So connect, sorry, cable, not connect, cable FT2232, this thing. So this will be driver, that is what it is considered. Then detect, okay, detect, so device, the family, that is what it is detected, that thing that is appearing there. Now part 0, okay, that command, okay, and then SVF, that file that is to be downloaded now, that file is considered on the E folder, okay. So with the E folder, that is what it is considered. So what is that name? COUNTER, counter 4-bit dot SVF, that thing, okay. So it will be downloaded, okay, what is happening? Okay, so part, just again, once again we will consider that thing. So cable FT2232, okay, I am making it off, making again it on. So cable, this thing, okay, FT2232, okay, that is considered now. Then detect, okay, then part 0, and then it will be with the E folder, that SVF file. Okay, so that is downloaded, okay. So now what is happening here is, you can see here, okay, just a minute, it is considered here. So let us consider that downloading part, okay, the error is there. So I have already considered SVF E वरती एक मी ऑलरेडी फाईल तयार करून ठेवलेली होती, tr.svf, okay, so that is what it is downloaded, okay. So it will be downloaded, you can see there. So it is still not downloaded. So whenever it will be downloaded, the counting will be started, okay. So you can see there, counting, that is what it is started, okay, counted, that is what it is started, okay. So this is a clear, okay, this switch, first one, and this last one, that is what it is up down. So right now it is up counting, okay. So you can see here, clear, I am making that button there, so it will be cleared. So whenever clear is 1, that means on this side it is 1, so this will be cleared, okay, counter is cleared, and whenever the clear is 0, the counting will be started. Now it is a down counting, कारण switch या बाजूला आहे, तर switch या बाजूला नेतो मी उलटा, up counting होते का बघा. Okay, 0 पासून स्टार्ट झालं, 0 1 like that, 2 3 4 5 6, okay, like that. It will be down counted, means 0 ला झालं की करावं. सो नाव इट इज 0 1 2 3. आता मी इथे केलं, परत 1 झालं, परत 2 झालं, परत 1 2 3 4 5, परत डाऊन काउंटिंग केलं मी, परत 4, लाईक दॅट. दॅट्स विल बी द थिंग.